In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Claude Pro. If you've been using the free version and want higher usage limits and more consistent access, this quick walkthrough will take you from start to finish with confidence and clarity. First, open your preferred web browser and go to claude.ai/new. This takes you straight into the Claude interface. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you can continue. A quick tip: make sure you're on a secure connection and consider bookmarking the page so you can get back to it easily later. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the profile icon. This is the small avatar or initial that opens your account menu. From here, you'll see options related to your account and settings. If you don't see the menu right away, give the page a moment to load or refresh your browser. In the menu that appears, click Upgrade Plan. This will open the upgrade page, where you can review what's included with Pro and proceed to checkout. Take a moment here to read the short description of benefits so you're clear on what you're getting. Now, choose the Pro plan you want by clicking Get Pro. Some regions may show monthly and annual options, so select the one that best fits your workflow and budget. It helps to confirm the price, currency, and billing cadence before moving on. If a comparison is shown, scan it briefly to ensure Pro has the limits and access level you need. Finally, enter your payment details and any other required information. You'll typically be asked for your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Type everything carefully and double-check for typos, especially your postal code and card number. If your bank uses extra verification, you may see a quick authentication screen. Just follow the prompts. Make sure the page shows a secure lock icon in your browser's address bar before submitting any payment info. Once your details are complete and validated, finish the checkout to activate your subscription. After a moment, your account will reflect the Pro status, and you can continue using Claude with your new benefits. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page or sign out and back in. For future reference, you can return to the profile icon to view billing information or manage your plan as needed. That's it, simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded experience with Claude Pro.